Honda's pricing strategy has taken a refreshing turn lately, offering incredible value across its lineup. The stunning new CB1000 Hornet SP, equipped with Öhlins suspension and Brembo brakes, comes in at just £9,999. The versatile 2025 C750X is a steal at £7,500, while the updated XL750 Transalp, still one of the best middleweight adventure bikes, lands at £9,749. But the real highlight? The retro-styled GB350S, yours for just £3,949. Built in Japan, the GB350S is a straightforward, feel-good, air-cooled single-cylinder machine, producing an A2-friendly 21 brake horsepower. While that may not sound like much, it's part of the charm. The gentle power delivery makes it incredibly easy to handle, yet there's enough punch to enjoy a spirited ride down a twisty back road. Thanks to its heavy crank and long stroke, it delivers ample torque and can reach over 80 miles per hour, proving that riding a slower bike at full throttle can be more thrilling than an overpowered machine you barely tap into. The GB350S is a joy to ride at any pace. It's approachable for new riders but still engaging enough for seasoned motorcyclists. While it isn't the most powerful bike, its characterful single-cylinder engine is smooth, lively, and effortlessly keeps up with traffic, even on motorways. Despite its modest output, the GB350S impresses with its superb chassis balance, responsive handling, and surprising grip. Affordable, yet packed with quality craftsmanship, it boasts the attention to detail typically reserved for larger, more expensive retro models. Honda has taken a page from Triumph and Royal Enfield, crafting a stylish, single-cylinder roadster with mass appeal. And at under £4,000, it's bound to fly off the showroom floor. The 348 cubic centimeters fuel-injected single-cylinder engine is equipped with two balanced shafts for smoothness, while still retaining its characteristic pulse. Its muted yet lively exhaust note adds to the charm. The 5-speed gearbox is crisp, the slip and assist clutch is light, and fuel economy is impressive. During our test, the GB350S returned 63 miles per gallon, equating to a theoretical 208-mile range. But ride it more conservatively, and you could get closer to Honda's claimed 94.1 miles per gallon. For its price, you wouldn't expect the GB350S to handle this well, but it does. Its steel semi-cradle frame, 41mm non-adjustable forks, and twin rear shocks may be simple, yet Honda has fine-tuned the setup to deliver excellent balance, precise steering, and remarkable grip. The 17-inch cast aluminum rear wheel and 19-inch front are wrapped in Metzeler Tourance Next dual-purpose tires, which inspire confidence in all conditions, warming up almost instantly. On tight and twisty B roads, the 178 kilograms Roadster remains composed, never missing a beat. Braking is equally straightforward yet effective. The single 310mm front disc with a twin-piston caliper offers adequate stopping power, while the rear brake is smooth and progressive. Ride quality is plush without being overly soft, and the bike's overall proportions make it spacious and comfortable, especially for taller riders. However, with an 800mm seat height and firm suspension that doesn't compress much under weight, shorter or lighter riders may find it tricky to get both feet flat on the ground. Engine. The air-cooled, fuel-injected 348 cubic centimeters long-stroke single produces 21 brake horsepower and 21 lb-ft of torque at just 3,000 RPM. Designed for efficiency and smoothness, its two balance shafts keep vibrations in check. No frills, just grab a map, find some winding B roads, and enjoy the ride. Reliability and build quality. If anything surpasses the GB350S ride quality, it's its build. While it's built to a price, with a mix of plastic and cast aluminum components, the overall construction is superb. It even comes equipped with ABS and traction control, adding a layer of safety to its charm. Honda hopes the GB350S will attract new and younger riders, but it's likely to be just as appealing to the bike shed crowd, be a fun Sunday morning second bike, or a machine for those who fancy downsizing to something smaller, lighter, and cheaper. Triumph's uber-popular 5,195-pound Triumph Speed 400 and the superb 3,979-pound Royal Enfield HNTR are its closest pocket retro rivals, but they're missing one thing: that badge on the side of the GB's fuel tank and all it stands for. Equipment. You may think rider aids are overkill on a bike like this, but they offer an extra layer of safety and confidence for the less experienced, and for that one time it saves you they're worth their weight in gold. It's festooned with tasty detail touches, too, from its center stand to its LED lights, fork gaiters, chrome mirrors, neat bungee cotton reels, short mud guards, round analog/digital mix clock, raised badges, resin side panels, chrome engine covers, and the deep, enamel-like paint finish to the steel 15-liter fuel tank. It comes in blue, black, gray, and there are also a full range of styling and touring accessories available. Analog speedo and digital insert feature a fuel gauge, gear position, time, odometer, trip, and a green ECO indicator that blinks like a neutral light. Stitched 800mm high seat is a classy touch. The GB350S is roomy for bigger riders, but those with shorter legs may struggle to get both feet on the floor. The 2025 Honda GB350S delivers a charming mix of accessible performance and engaging character. Its 348 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine produces 21 brake horsepower and 21 lb-ft of torque at just 3,000 RPM, offering a broad, usable power band perfect for city riding and backroad fun. The engine's long-stroke design and dual balance shafts ensure a smooth, refined ride while maintaining the satisfying thump of a classic single. Paired with a slick 5-speed gearbox and a light slip and assist clutch, gear changes are effortless. Despite its modest power, the GB350S feels lively, pulling confidently through corners and cruising comfortably at highway speeds. Its well-tuned chassis, responsive steering, and grippy Metzeler Tourance next tires make it a joy to ride, proving that a lightweight, well-balanced machine can be just as rewarding as a high-powered alternative.